pagkain, breakfast, di raw niya nakain.
Dutch breakfast, baka Dutch breakfast po sila.
Ang hanap nun, tiyo. Alam niyo ba minsan kung makain kami sa Malacanang, alam mo naman ako matakaw. Buti nga pumapakit. Kumuha ako ng tuyo niya. Ang sama ng tingin ko sa akin. Kaya alam ko kailangan niya ng tuyo. Mga taga Netherlands. Kailangan ng tuyo.
Yes! Maganda tayo ng tuyo.
May ano po sa likod nyo. Yes sir, naka-live na.
Well, good afternoon. Thank you. No? As we speak, the Vice President, Sara Duterte, is going to meet for the first time her father.
Okay.
She has not had the occasion, and neither have I, had the occasion to meet with the President. Only Executive Secretary Medeldea, who accompanied him on the plane here, has had the opportunity to meet him this morning for less than an hour. I'm a bit disappointed at the practices of the ICC that has delayed the visit of a family member to an accused.
Yes.
We look up to the ICC as a model for international justice, and the fact that it has taken 2 days for a family member to see the accused, I think does not speak well of the practices of the court. We condemn it. Why does it take 2 days for a family member to visit an accused? That's unacceptable.
Yes.
Secondly, we are very much disappointed that the court did not address the issue of kidnapping as a means to divest the court of jurisdiction.
Exactly.
We think that the ICC should again set an example in promoting international justice, and when kidnapping is allowed as a means of acquiring jurisdiction over the jurisdiction of the accused, we think this too is a travesty of justice.
Yes.
We believe that at the earliest instance, the court should rule on the legality of kidnapping as a means of acquiring jurisdiction, and we cite the case of Ibrahim versus Minister, a decision of the National Court of South Africa, that the illegality of the arrest should divest courts of its jurisdiction. You cannot correct a wrong by committing another wrong.
True.
I think it is high time that the court clarify its position on this matter. It is unacceptable that we accept accept jurisdiction acquired through kidnapping, especially when the kidnapping took place in the context of the Philippines, where the court is now being used as a tool of oppression by the Marcos government.
Yes.
Now, the next hearing is on